Hi everyone, this is Bidaskar Salam from PS Media, and in this video I want to show you how to disable Gutenberg page builder or Gutenberg editor. Gutenberg is becoming a page builder, of course, and it has become a part of WordPress core. So you cannot disable like we did before. So if you want to disable Gutenberg, you have to install an extra plugin. You have to install Classic Editor, or you have to install Disable Gutenberg plugin. You have one choice: installing Classic Editor or disabling Gutenberg. That's the choice. Why should we disable Gutenberg? That's the question. First, we have to answer. We want to edit, we want to design our website with a nice page builders or website builders like Elementor, Breezy, Oxygen, but the WordPress default editor is Gutenberg. So sometimes for the new users, newcomers, beginners, it's very confusing. When someone want to create a new post like this, and a new post, it will lead to the full page Gutenberg editor like this, and they thought this is the page interface to design the website. They can start designing by inserting lots of elements here, Gutenberg elements. So they started designing, but found that this is not Elementor. They want to design with Elementor, some Elementor elements they want to put on the page, but they found that they edit with the Elementor, then the elements that they design with the Gutenberg are very confusing. They stack together in a section in the Elementor. They cannot adjust it. So the point is, you cannot use both Gutenberg editor and Elementor editor or other Elementor page builders at the same page. You cannot use two types of editors or page builders at the same page. They are conflicting, so they are confusing. So you can disable Gutenberg and design everything with Elementor. That's why we need to disable Gutenberg. That's very confusing. Until and unless you want to use Gutenberg editor to design your website, then Gutenberg is very confusing. So keep the Gutenberg in the shelves, disable it. You can disable with the plugin here. I have already installed it. Disable Gutenberg plugin by Zepstar. Very good ratings. See, the 5-star ratings. Out of 512 ratings, 507 voted for 5 stars. This is very good rating. It is compatible up to the 1.5.6, so it is good plugin. You can activate it, install and activate it. Disable Gutenberg plugin. There is some settings. Let's check out what is disable Gutenberg. Okay, there is nothing much about in the settings. You can go to the add post, add new, like this. This is the default Classic Editor interface. We have already disabled Gutenberg with the plugin. One click installation, one click disable, like this. Now we have used to this Classic interface, Classic Editor interface. Now we will not be confusing. You can set the page title. And choose some page template here and go to the edit with element. This is the interface we have used to Classic Editor. So I hope this video is helpful to you, especially for the beginners. By disabling the Gutenberg editor, they won't be confusing with Gutenberg and Elementor. Thanks for watching again. Please click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.